B1 node will be here. In that case, you have to cutting should be little bigger, longer. Okay, but you should know where are the nodes. These are all nodes.
Yeah.
The distance is not. Some of the nodes will be very close, like your mulberry. Did you see?
Yeah.
Did you see? Very close.
Yes, sir.
1.5 inch. So what kind? 130. 130? 2. Oh, 2 will go. Just I'll show. No. Will go.
How
Finish.
many days we can keep the
Well,
cuttings?
if you want to plant and after that you plant it, but just you water them and keep it there.
How many days we can keep the cuttings?
Any
without
cuttings, there's the same day is much better. Otherwise, next day. Otherwise, you have to take a, anybody has a kerchief, gunny bag. If you want to store more longer time,
I have
no, it's some piece of cloth. Otherwise, no.
I have paper also.
No, the paper, no, this I do it. Demo, drama, I do it.
Sir, in
Okay, this you take a gunny bag. You are carrying to Manipur or somewhere. Where you are from? Delhi? Uttarakhand, yeah. Delhi, I know. So here it takes long time to go by bus or by walk, I don't know. By walk you are going? Yeah.
lying down, rolling.
Yeah, rolling. So take the things, just you have to, you put it like this. Okay? Up to here. You, with the soil, and you wrap it, gunny bag or cloth bag, you can keep it for 4-5 days, doesn't matter. Okay? Openly, this will survive for 5-6 days. This will survive 2 days. This will survive maximum 4 days.
If
So
you
every
go and
stick-
chop it again.
Don't do that.
No.
But your nodes are important. If it's already limited nodes are there,
Yeah.
if it's a longer, you can make it 2 pieces. But minimum 3 to 4 should be there. Minimum. So what happens if I'm going and planting? Now I'm planting like this. Okay? Do you normally like this, na?
Yes.
Many people they do that. So how many how many nodes are I'm covering?
One.
Only one.
Only one.
So chances are very less. The same thing.
Oh.
From that node for root formation and a new shoot for the leaves.
Just like sugar cane.
Sugarcane.
You had said you showed us this.
Yeah. Okay?
Sir, will multiple trees grow if from multiple nodes? If there are like
No, only
because,
one.
no, because yeah, for example, this has 4 nodes now, right?
But the roots formation will happen strong. Okay? The chances are more in this case. First one was only one node, may not. But the very weak. But here, but don't, did PDC, don't go bury it.
Sir, PDC, we should be smarter.
Smart move word. I know, I've done PDC. What do you mean? Advanced PDC.
That angle.
Yeah, that angle. Okay? Okay, now how many covering? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So chances are much better. Simple. So when you, yeah.
Is there an up or down in this?
No, not,
Can we bury
nothing,
the
nothing,
wrong
nothing.
side?
No, both are. If you are the up, it one may be down. Did you see?
No, she meant the cutting. We buried the other way around.
How you bury it?
No, cutting. Like we
No,
took the
cutting.
cutting.
No, one is a downwards, one is upwards. How you do so?
Exactly, that's what I want to understand.
No, how you want to bury? Oh, sorry.
No, suppose we
No,
don't,
suppose you show me. No,
No,
no.
suppose I put it this way.
No. If I do your ups and down, what will happen?
No, that's exactly that's what I wanted to understand, which is the way up and which is down.
No, you nodes. Have you seen that?
Facing up. Not facing up.
Okay.
Did you see?
No, ठीक.
Always up sides. These are the birds. Have you seen them?
Yeah.
So you'll know by seeing that already the nodes formation will tells you which is up. My people will every time I plant 100, out of 100 my people will go put this. That's what you leave one leaf here. Otherwise, if you are clever, you have to understand. Those who working with me, they are trained, they know. But new people come, they will do like this also. 3 days, 4 days, they die. So there is no, because your root formation won't take place, number one, and it ups and down, root formation will take, but growth will happen, but it dies. But the xylem doesn't happen to go and down, and it is not much grow. There is no scope of growing. Leaves come upstairs. Okay, up. Is it done? And immediately you have to, when you cut this, don't take straight cut, should not be there.
Cross. 45.
Did you
Below
see?
and top both?
No, only top.
Top is, no, top also.
Both.
Both sides.
Both.
Sir, I thought the
how
reason
we
why
tell
you do it is for water should not log, so it
Yeah,
should go down.
I'll tell you.
Okay.
The flat, if I, now it's done, you good. For the easy item, when you put into ground, easily it go it. Have you seen?
Yeah, yeah.
What is the vent? What is it called again? No, the slant one is, what do you call it? There's a word.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
There is a word.
Wedge.
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 Yeah, because of wedge, easily it will,
Yeah, okay.
damage won't happen.
Yeah.
Straight you have to push, all the bark will come out.
Yeah.
Easily it will go into the soil easily. Did you see?
Yeah.
So if I do the same thing, when I push, all the bark will come out. Only this portion, some bark will get affected. But if you make it, these portions have not got affected. Did you see?
Yes.
Only this got.
Yes, sir.
So where is my signature?
Sir, there.
Yeah. If I do the same thing, this side. Look at
Flat.
all sides.
Yes, sir.
All got affected. Did you see notice?
Yes, sir.
So only one side. That's how just you have to keep it. Upstairs, in the up, what happens? So if the rain or sun,
Water doesn't stand.
it is slipping. Water doesn't stand, and sun also doesn't affect the
Whole surface.
whole surface. Slips. Otherwise, the cliff kind of things will always slips. And water and what happens if the any borer comes, if it's get damaged, dries, the borer will go into the pit. Have you seen the center pit? The pit. You know pit?
Yeah.
Every
Center.
where is my glass area?
Hardwood, softwood.
Yeah. The center one is a pith. Is a hollow. Very sweet. Every borer will like this portion. Once it is got damaged, nicely they will go, eat them, come out. So the tree will die. So don't give the chance to water or sun. Both should not happen. It will be easily skip from this portion, the surface area. That's why in the immediately I don't have that patience. If you make it a straight, they're all straight, no? Immediately do this some. Is the water? Drama?
Yes. Soil.
No, my soil is here. I do.
Soil, powder the soil.
If you do like that, otherwise just bindi is enough. Only bindi.
Soil bindi itself.
Some bindi, yeah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Did you see? If you don't, one lorry load doesn't have soil or anything, just you can apply something which is easy to all the cuttings. You make the color is some color of soil color or dung color. Don't give the green like this. Did you see the difference? No, don't make a Bahubali ball. The weight is more than your stem. It will. Okay? Don't make a big balls. Now you know cuttings.
Yes.
Any doubt?
Some people scrape the skin also.
To kill it or to go it?
The roots to come.
No, that is the grafting they do it, layering.
No, even in this thing they are
No,
doing like
scrape I think is dice. This is the only source of your food. If I scrape like this,
like this and then they
like this, I leave it. Wait, I will say. This the cambial portion dies, the plant will die. This is a cambial, it's cambium. My encyclopedia is here. She's waiting for the technical terms. You know what is cambium? Yeah, you have to explain them. I don't have patience. If anybody wanted to kill, you have to remove this bark, plant will die.
Any big tree also.
Yeah, any big tree also. Don't open this because your phloem, cambium, and your xylem. And inside xylem and almost all the pith. The four are, the dicots or monocots are different. In that xylem won't be possible everything. Xylem will be there, the phloem won't be there, and the pith or not all are. Woody and the soft part is different. Dicots are different. The phloem in the dicots, they are all. Phloem, cambium, xylem and pith is possible in the dicots. Monocots only 2 layers. The woody and the bark and the phloem and xylem. Phloem. Okay. So this just you have to, if you make it like this, plant will die. No, don't hurt. When we are talking about this kind of bark is a get affected and growth will happen, where if you do like this, no tree will survive. Okay. But what is the technique? I don't know. Some lot of cherries are coming. I don't know. They cut and grow the trees.
YouTube,
I
I
don't know.
saw it on YouTube.
Oh.
At the base, they were scraping it and then.
Who is that YouTube fellow? You ask him with the address. I don't know. He might have invented some new thing. You remove the bark and grow the trees. Kind of slogan.
Grafting like that.
Huh? Not now. We'll go. Okay, you want to do
Maybe on this, like when this person is going in, so they have just
not good. You are dissectioning,
little bit of
cutting our fingers and ears and ears. Already a lot of cutting
And
has
it
happened.
requires skills
This is a big damage. Cutting is a big damage. Again, you are taking the bark, taking out your skin. On your skin also, the skin is different. Your foreign body is white, and then blood, the flesh. Any scratch will happen. What happens? Did you notice? This is the skin. What you are seeing. Next layer is the white. White is a foreign body, and after that, flesh. If you scratch, anything happens. Only the white will be there. It doesn't. Any bleeding won't happen. If it deeper, blood will happen. That's your flesh. So the same thing. This also. The bark is okay sometimes, but the removing this also, the flame also dangerous. Did you see?
Yeah.
This is the skin, and the green one is the brown is the skin. This is a foreign body. The white is your flesh. Same, humans also same thing. Clear?
Even this you'll plant the same way. Gliricidia, because it has those branches
Yeah. Yeah. Plant same. It is more
slant.
strong than this.
slant way.
Otherwise, if Gliricidia, if I plant like this, it don't germinate. It germinate, but it don't survive. It's a very weak. These are more strong. Because of this, all nutrition is concentrated here, is it? And the chances are coming new shoots from here. Because intersecting, that's called node. Intersecting any two systems, some same stem, but is the more energy is stored here. Food storage is here, it will possible, they get. But the leaves don't keep more leaves, any cutting will do it. Because then they lose a lot of water, the moisture. Water transportation will happen. So you reduce limit and that water loss won't be happen, so that it will be, they use that same water for the growth, new growth.
So leaves you should leave. Yes.
Not leaves, don't keep remove is better. Okay?
Sir, that node should go inside the soil or it should be outside?
No, anywhere, that doesn't matter. But node should be upside always. Yeah. But node should be upside much better, because nodes will come, the shoots will come from here.
Yeah.
But it should go up to here. Like this.
Okay.
But you keep minimum, what is this? How much it is? 1.5 feet or feet?
Almost 2.
This size is the best. This is my stick is there always.
Oh.
Best. If you have this one is weak.
Sir, and of this, how much? This much, no? This much should go inside?
No, 70-80% doesn't matter. Let it go. Have you seen yesterday on the field cutting?
Yes, sir.
Planted?
Yes, sir.
They are doing very well. Did you notice? Nobody noticed. Yeah, everywhere I shown my chaya cuttings
Yeah.
in the field yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have not seen.
Yeah, we saw it.
So
Everywhere. Mexican sunflower and that.
Yes.
Okay? This is a Mexican sunflower again. Always anything in Mexican sunflower, chaya, even brownish is a more strong always. Green is little weak. Even it happens in this is always green. This is in the Gliricidia also. This is the best. Tender one?
More mature.
No, yeah, more mature. Matured is always. But this is a matured is good, but even tender one also don't die. It's very hardy. Chaya. If you don't, yeah, chaya, and this one is anything, any tender or green or any matured, grows faster. If you select for the ensurety, if you want, brown is much better. But in the sun Mexican flower and chaya, tender and brown is both are better. Okay.
If you plant straight, then the shoots will come like this from both sides, right? If you are planting straight, slant, then it has to only come up like this, only from one side. If you are planting straight from two sides, it will come like this, right?
Show me.
If you plant like this,
No.
from both
No,
sides will
no.
come up.
But your chances are less here.
What if I
If you do
go
this,
deeper?
but it's coming not, it won't go like that.
I know, straight only up.
Straight only, yeah.
But in that, from both sides it can
Not
come
both
up.
sides. Look at the both sides. There also possible. One is there, one is there. But you are leaving only 20%. The survival is after growing the Both branches will give anyway, but you give more chances to survive first. The root
From
formation.
where it begins, it will be slant, right? It won't be straight.
No. Roots will straight. Roots go in the straight.
Yeah,
Roots will form and roots
roots
go straight.
obviously. But the what you call the trunk,
No.
the main trunk.
Yeah. Now it will be it will be neglected. Only which grows that will become a tree. You think?
That will,
Yeah.
That will go straight.
That will go straight.
yeah, that
Then
will
that
go
will become a
straight.
tree.
Yeah.
That will become a tree, not this one.
Because I have seen in many plants where the main trunk is slant, and from there it has grown.
Then that will bury it. That won't be seen at all. Over a period of time, when it's shrunk,
But in many plants it survives for long
it
time.
survives. It long survives.
But isn't it better to have the straight one rather
Straight one,
than
I shown the cuttings. In the case of cuttings, I'm talking about. The best survival rate is more better.
Okay.
That's only I'm trying to
Here we
explain.
have to grow the roots first.
Yeah, roots
210.
first. Yeah, roots.
The time is 2:10.
Okay, that is the source. Now, roots are source for your nutrition and the water. First, let it survive, then it grows. Then think of.
Now what if you can push it down straight only? More?
No, I told you, no. Direct hitting the sun into the thing, this will get damaged. More damage will happen to this. If you're planting this is strips, it won't more concentrated.
Right.
Okay.